Question 6. In figure, A, B and C are point on PQ, OQ and OR respectively such that AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Show that BC parallel to QR. In triangle OPQ, AB parallel to PQ. Therefore, remaining sides are in proportional. OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Number first, reason by BPT. In triangle OPR, AC parallel to PR. Therefore, remaining sides are in proportional. OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Equation number 2, reason by BPT. From first and seconds, equation first and second left hand side equal. Therefore, right hand side equal. First right hand side OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. In triangle OQR, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Therefore, BC parallel to QR, reason by converse of BPT.